Welcome you to my channel Bikram's World. My dear friends, please like the video, comment, share, subscribe to this video in my channel Bikram's World and press the notification bell icon. Boat's recently launched smartwatch that is called xtend. So as you can see here, I just placed it before you, and also I placed it before you the watch that is from Amazon that I brought, and with the price that I brought, and I feel it is quite satisfactory and is quite good. Now I'm unboxing it by cutting it up from this plastic. Let us see now what all things are there. Today I'm unboxing it and trying to show you what is there in the box, and I'm opening it now. There's a plastic cover out here, and we have a boat cover here. Before going to the boat cover, let us see what are the things that are there in this watch. Here we have 4.3 centimeter full touch screen, stress monitoring and customizable watch faces, and you can see the picture of this phone, and also you can see the advertisement here of this, and here are some features written on it. You can see here real-time notifications with vibration alerts, compatibility Android 6.0 and above, and here we can see 5 ATM dust, sweat and splash resistant. This is ambient light display, and here is the menstruation cycle tracker, guided meditative breathing, 14 sports mode here, and heart rates, blood oxygen and things like that. Another speciality of this is that you can see here you can add this to Alexa. Let us unbox this watch from Watch xtend. Let us see what is there inside. Let us see. Oh, this is a beautiful watch out here. So let us take this out and keep it aside for a while. Let us see inside what are the things. This is charger we have, and this is a special charger because it is magnetic charger. As you can see, the magnetic thingy out here. We have a manual from boat. As you can see, this one, and also we have small sticker. Then we have boat again manual about this watch xtend. Then we have a warranty, 1 year warranty. Then we have this about Alexa and how we can connect this about it, and this is nothing here. So these are the things that we have got today, and let us now see how this smartwatch is all about. Let us just take it out. Looks so beautiful. Let's keep it aside. As you can see here, this is the watch, beautiful golden plated, and this is black in color. The screen is black in color, and there's one button out here. So this belt is also good, plastic belt, and this is also golden in color, and it looks quite strong enough. Here the sensor for this charger, and these are all the sensors that we will be. There is also an Alexa built in here, so Alexa tell me a joke and things like that. Whatever, you can connect this phone to Alexa also and control from there with your voice. So this is how it looks. Friends, please like, comment, share and subscribe.